How's everybody doing today? This is Kurt's Culinary, and today we are going to prep for our pot roast. All right, I'm going to be making pot roast, but I always like to prep my pot roast, so we're gonna go ahead and get her done. All right, guys. First, you're going to take care of your meat. All right, for the meat, you have a nice piece of fat here, and this is going to slow cook. So you're going to take a sharp knife, you're going to slice down into this meat, and you're going to kind of score it so that when it cooks, it just will stay nice and even. First you cut it long ways, then you cut it sideways into nice little pieces, and this will really also help for even cooking while it's cooking away. Pot roast is a delicious meal, and it's extremely easy to do. It's a one-pot wonder. All right, so I've made up a rub. This rub consists of salt, steak seasoning, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. All right, so you're going to take your rub and you're going to go pretty heavy over the top with this. All right, don't use all of it, save some of it for seasoning your vegetables. So you're going to pat this in real good on top. All right, and then you're going to let it sit there. Let's wash our hands. All right. Now, if you wanted to, you can sear this, but I'm going to slow cook it on low for probably about 8 to 10 hours. So I don't really do it, but all right. So now we're going to get into our vegetables. Okay, for your vegetables, you're going to have 2 celery stalks. They're going to be cut into nice little 2-inch pieces. You're going to have one onion, medium-sized onion, cut into nice quartered pieces. You're going to have carrots that were cut into 3 carrots, peeled and cut into 2-inch pieces. And so you're going to go ahead and dump all that in there. And then we got 3 potatoes here that are quartered into real nice pieces. You want to make these pieces real nice and chunky so that it can hold up with the cooking, for the process. And because it's going to be slow cooking for a long time. Now we are going to put 8 ounces of beef broth into our container. And then we are going to put 2 teaspoons of flour in there. That's going to help thicken this as it cooks so that you have a nice gravy. And with the rest of the seasoning, you're just going to go ahead and sprinkle that over the top. All right. Now that that's all done, all you're going to need to do is take your meat, put it in here, and just wash our hands. After that, you're going to add 2 bay leaves, and that is your final process. And you want this to marinate overnight. I always like to marinate it, to just let it sit, and it'll sit in the nice beef broth and all of these nice juices. You also want to add 2 bay leaves, and pretty much that's all there is to it, guys. Go ahead and put a lid on it and put it in the refrigerator overnight. Tomorrow you go ahead and start it, and when you come home, it's done. So this is Kurt's Culinary, and this is how to prep pot roast. If you guys like my videos, please like, please subscribe, please share, and until the next one, I'll see you. Peace.